what's going on, bro? Hey, right now I'm on the phone right now with my boy Ryan, man. Ryan is another friend of mine. I know from high school. He's a solid guy, man. Ryan, say what's up to my YouTube channel fans, bro. I'm also doing a YouTube vlog right now. You're on the phone.
Yo.
Yeah.
Yo. That's good. You know? I don't want to say my last name. I don't want to say anything.
They're listening to you, man. Say hi.
They should be listening to me.
Of course, bud, because you're a big deal. And that's why I want you guys to go hit subscribe on that on this channel right now, man. Hit subscribe and leave a comment and a like. What?
Subscribe, and maybe if you're lucky, you'll get a dick pic.
I'm gonna beep that, bro. I'm gonna beep that. But hey, man, yo, Ryan, let me let you go because I'm out here at this property right now. I'm waiting for Farzin to come and give me a good showing. I just want to hear what you have to say about this property before I move on with any deals. You know what I mean?
Alright.
It's always good to get multiple opinions. And then I'll also call you back. I don't know when you're free, bro. I'll also like to show you this place, man. If you can see it in person. Yeah, but through videos. But if you can see it in person, I'd like to get your perspective.
No.
No? Don't get it, huh?
It's not. Don't.
Okay. I'll try to work a deal up.
If you can get investors.
Yeah.
To pay for it.
Yeah.
Which you won't.
And that's where I'm headed, bro. That's where I'm headed. I prefer to God. God willing.
Is it? Yo, bro, it's a shithole. It's a fucking shithole.
Yeah, bro. But yo, usually that's how it starts. You usually find something that's really bad, and you have to work on it. You flip it. And I have all the skills, bro. The foundation is my area. I have people in HVAC. I have people in plumbing. You know?
Okay, but minus all that.
Yeah.
Why don't you find a shithole like that?
Yeah.
With a concrete foundation versus a stone.
Yeah. Good. That's actually a good key. But also keep in mind, like I said, I'm in foundation, bro. I can make that stone into a poured foundation wall. Like
you're gonna have to redo the whole fucking house.
Yeah, that's for sure. And the house.
That's stupid.
Just from looking at it from out here, bro, it's gonna need a lot of work.
No. It's not what it looks like, and it's not what's inside the house.
Yeah.
That's why I asked you go straight down to the basement.
Yeah.
That's number one. Just find a duplex.
Yeah.
That's a shithole like that one.
Yeah.
But with a concrete foundation, like normally.
Okay.
And even if they have cracks in the foundation,
yeah,
that's you could easily repair that versus having to
a whole new one.
Like,
yeah. And
you couldn't even do a full brand new one because it was the house that year of the house was never built on a foundation.
No, it's a rumble one.
The only way the only thing you could do is reinforce the walls. You could never put a new foundation in there. You're fucked.
Yeah, it's a big job. It's a big job for sure, man. It's a huge job.
A big job.
Yeah, it's a huge one.
If you were to put a, you actually know what you can't.
Exactly what
you could not put a fucking concrete foundation in that house.
No, it's a bit possible, but it's hard, bro. It's hard. It'll cost a lot.
No, it's impossible. You can't.
Nothing is impossible, Ryan, man. Come on, bud. You're talking to 808 Construction, bud. Nothing is impossible, bud. We just haven't figured it out yet, and we will, man. But you're Ryan, man. Let me let you go so I can have some time with my YouTube channels right now and explain what's going on, the situation, man. I'll call you back. Give me like 40 minutes. Or
yeah, no.
Are you free today? I can also pick you up, man. We're gonna kick it later if you want.
You can pick me up?
Yeah.
And you're gonna run out of gas on me.
Don't worry about that, man. Don't worry about that, man. If you want, just let me call you back and then we can discuss about that.
All right, we'll discuss it.
All right, bud. Thanks for calling, bro.
All right, thanks, bud.
We'll chat later, bud.
All right, thanks, bud.
How do you be, bud?
F you, bud.
Yeah, man, I love you, dog. Hey, hit subscribe, man. Hit subscribe, guys. That was Ryan. and he doesn't like to say his last name, but I'll beep the last name out. But that was Ryan. So a good buddy of mine. Back in high school, it's been about, I'll say 15 or 14 years ever since high school. Yeah, something like that. No, I believe so. Yeah, and I'm real proud of everyone else, man. I'm proud of all my friends, proud of everyone that I know that are doing something positive in their life. It's a great feeling, to be honest. Some of you guys may know I actually opened a foundation repair company, construction. So I'm in the construction industry. It's been a year now, but my knowledge and experience is about 8 years. So I'm out here trying to chase my financial freedom, guys, and I just came across a great guy, a great mentor. He's actually he's a realtor and business owner himself. He's been pushing me. He's told me that he saw a couple skills in me that I'm sure I have some skills in myself, honestly, and I'm 100% positive that I can actually do real estate as well. And he actually said that, and he actually he's pushing me into real estate, and I really admire that, honestly, that someone, complete stranger, could recognize the skills in me and try to push me, honestly. So yeah, and he actually owned, this is actually one of his property that he asked me to repair the foundation, the face over there. So I actually put a whole new wall over there. I'll show you guys later. Put a whole new face in the front, and then but it needs more work from the inside. So we were discussing, and he told me, give me a deal, give me a number on what he could do for me if I'm interested in this place. So I am interested. It's something that honestly, my older brother he's the one that actually into real estate. Come out if you're watching. He's the one that's actually into real estate, man. But I've been learning from him and just been influenced from him. So I would like to take the step into real estate, honestly. And if you're watching, I don't have much knowledge in real estate, and if you do, please reach out and help me out, man, because I'm willing to learn. You know, I would love to learn a lot from you, because this is a beautiful property. To me, it's a beautiful property. But so I'm waiting for my other buddy Farzin, because I would like to see what he has to say. Honestly, I do love this property. Yeah, guys, stick around, guys.
Call. Press the phone button to answer.
That's Farzin. Hey, bud, what's going on?
Yeah, I'm shit.
Hey, I'm right in front of you, buddy. Behind you, actually.
Oh, that's
Everybody, that's Farzin over there. Yeah, that's me, bro. That's me in my Subaru.
Okay. Alright, let's go, bro.
Let's check this out, man. So, guys, this is Farzin, guys. Farzin is a good friend of mine from high school, man. He's a realtor. He works for Remax. This is Farzin, guys. That's my buddy over there. If you guys don't know, this is Farzin, top realtor in Ottawa here, man. Welcome to the channel, Farzin.
I already know what you said.
Man, long time, bro. You're looking good, bro.
How you been?
I missed you, brother. Yeah, guys, Farzin and I are here just to get his perspective, as you can tell. So this is the place. So yeah, man. What do you think, bro? What do you think? From looking at it right now, what can we say? Cause yeah, it's a lot of work, man. It's a lot of work in these. Yes. First of all, pardon?
The electricity of the have they been upgraded?
No, I don't think so. I don't think so.
The old system, a lot of times you can't even get insurance.
That's something to look at too.
Old system.
But I know that the furnace downstairs. Let's check out the furnace downstairs. What about upstairs? You wanna go upstairs?
Yeah, that's true.
Upstairs? Cause downstairs is pretty sketchy, bro. Yeah, man, I'm really looking to purchase something like this, you know? But, of course, less work as possible. It's covered. So guys, there's no light in here at all. This is scary.
Damn.
This is the furnace, man.
Can rent
Whoa.
this out $2,000, bro.
Yeah?
Yeah, man.
So what do you think, bro? See the foundation walls? Look, you can look right through on the other side, right outside. There's holes.
Yeah, there's even holes here, bro.
Yeah. But that's why I was telling my other buddy, is that because I'm in the foundation industry, you know? This is what I do, bro. But this alone is gonna cost at least like 60.
This is a lot of money too.
Yeah.
Like a life.
So electrical definitely haven't been upgraded.
It doesn't look like.
No, and plumbing, I'm sure.
Plumbing,
Because they still have the main on the other side. We'll check out the other side. You will see it better.
the other side?
Yeah, no, here, no, that way. The other, you go. Yeah, the other apartment. You go first, and then yeah. Careful, dog. Hey guys, hit that subscribe button. You see what these realtors have to go through? That's why you gotta get yourself a good realtor, man. Because some people wouldn't want to go down there, and some would. Shout out to my boy Farzin. Hit him up. Yeah, bro. So my plan was to buy this as a first home buyer, bro. Let's go first. So
Yeah, the
what are you
thing
saying?
is-
Yeah.
This is a semi-detached.
Okay.
It's not all one unit.
Yeah.
So you can buy this one as your first one.
But not
this
the other
will
one.
be your second one.
Okay.
And then, once you buy both, because they're on the same land,
Yeah.
they're gonna merge into each other. So in the future, you can't sell one of them. You have to apply for a land clearance.
Huh.
It's gonna take
We're
some
learning,
time,
guys. We're learning.
9 months to a year.
So then how can we get around that? If I was to buy both under me.
Well, you can, but these
To
are
sell.
the consequences.
Okay.
And then you can only one of them will be your first one.
Of course.
So what you can do is buy the second one under your
Company and then
company or your girlfriend or
Yeah.
wife, you know.
yeah.
But you can't. If you're planning to sell them,
Now Farzan's gonna show me some numbers, man. Because if the numbers doesn't make sense, then it doesn't make sense, right? That's where we at. Hey guys, do me a favor real quick and hit that subscribe button. Give us a like and leave us a comment, please. I appreciate that.